Hey friends, Jessica here with Creators Couture, and I'm going to keep this really short and sweet. This is to let you guys know, those of you who follow my channel and use my brushes, that I've been updating some of my older brush sets to make them even better, to put them at the level of my brushes that I'm releasing now. And most of them, what I'm doing is adding pressure sensitivity for the flow, which makes them much more versatile and refined. So in this video, I'm just letting you know that I have updated my Artistic Autumn brushes. And these brushes the color blending brushes have actually been featured on Adobe Create. And you can download a free sample if you want from Adobe Create. I'll link that below. But just to give you an idea of what I've done with these brushes is that I've added the pressure sensitivity to control the flow. So like if I have this brush like this, if I use a low pressure, I can get varying levels of this brush, and it just makes it a lot more refined and naturalistic. And this collection is really nice. I use a lot of these brushes, not just for autumn designs, but some of my favorite brushes are in this collection. So here you can see that the pressure sensitivity controls the flow, and it's a lot better than it was before. And let me just show another brush here. So, you can get this the strong effects if you push down, or you can get a light effect if you are using a light touch, a light pressure sensitivity. So it makes it a lot more versatile. You can create a lot of cool depth with your strokes, and of course that has the same color blending technology using the pattern stamp technique. And I will put the link below, but just to let you guys know that that's updated. So if you already have it, check your email for the update download link and send me a message if you have any questions.